RC cars are miniature model cars that can be controlled from a distance using a specialized transmitter or remote. The term RC has been used to mean both remote control and radio control. Today, RC usually refers only to vehicles controlled by radio. The car made of high quality PVC material, solid shock springs, and powerful motors. Each detailed design of this RC car reflects the professions of technical team. Most hobby cars really enjoy customizing their vehicles with parts such as tires, motors, body kits. You may be happy with an RC car that handles well and runs fast. These RC cars include power remote battery with a high speed. Now discuss different types of RC car. Number 1. Scale large RC car. This car includes 2-speed modes with the 2.4 GHz radio system on. You just switch on and drive. The 2-speed modes are perfect for both beginners or younger children and expert drivers, in which car safety is first priority. Use the included fireproof battery bag for safe transporting, storing and charging your batteries. It extended runtime with two LiPo 7.4 volt rechargeable batteries and a special double battery connector. The high-speed remote control cars for boys or adults will run for up to 30 minutes at a time. It offers waterproof feature so you can ready to run in the rain. It is more faster race car than others. The boast extraordinary grip operations and durability make it more different from other cars. Its heavy-duty wheels allow you to drive the beach, concrete road and sand areas. The fast RC cars for kids and adults can be easily controlled within a range up to 250 feet. Number 2. High boxing RC car. It provides high-speed racing experience. This RC car equipped with powerful 380 brushed motor and shaft-driven 4WD to give you 336 km driving speed. You can drive it on sand, grass, wet mud, swamp and off-road. The 2.4 GHz transmitter available with 2-speed switch, high and low speed switch. It can prevent damages caused by the vibration effectively. Ball bearings through the whole vehicle enable the driving system to become more smoothly and less friction. You can adopt the high toughness explosion that can be proved by PVC shell. It is also waterproof, so it is suitable for almost complex road conditions and harsh environments. The vehicle is powered by a rechargeable 7.4 volt Li-ion battery pack and equipped with two rechargeable batteries, so it is more fun than other regular RC cars. The headstrong driving time of each rechargeable battery is approximately 12 minutes. Charging is facilitated through the USB port. Number 3. Piston RC high-speed racing car. It's time to play your favorite high-speed truck and cars that burning the rubber on the road. The highest speed is up to 36 km. Piston RC car include 4WD systems and waterproof functions. Can run constantly on the sand, lawn. Its 4-spring and aluminum cap, hydraulic S-treat structure protect the car body anti-collision and shock-proof during high-speed racing. The package contains a removable spare car shell, which make one become two cars. The old become the new. 2.4 GHz remote controller for distance. Several RC toys playing simultaneously without any interference. Steering reverse on transmitter so you can precisely adjust the steering. The rechargeable LiPo battery. Every 3 can be charged in 25 to 30 minutes. The 4 stable spring to keep the movement firmly and avoid over-shaking pressure. Elastic rubber tires with layered texture highly grab to the ground. Up to 60 to 80 meter distance remote control. It allows more RC toys to play simultaneously without any interference. It is fit for age 14 plus kids, so it is helpful for developing kids' intelligence and practicing ability. Number 4. Viceni remote control car. This car is available with powerful motors, so you can easily brake the car and adjust the speed limit up to 300 mph plus. So enjoy the feeling of high speed. 4WD systems allow the truck to climb big hills, kick up some dirt and mud, and have better control to conquer different awful environments easily. It is a vessel with good and strong inner texture. The remote control car provided excellent off-road performance, allowing driving in different terrains. Its highly responsive steering and throttle protect all parts in all terrains. It is flexible for driving forward or backward, turning left or right without getting stuck in tough environment. 1/18 full-scale simulation design makes this RC car more realistic. With anti-interferences 2.4 GHz radio technology, the car is always ready to start quickly. It can be wide control range up to 100 m offers much fun. The solid independent bumpers protect the car from crash. More powerful 4-wheel drive supply than 2WD, making it easy to move on rough roads. So if you are out for one heck of a good time, this RC car won't let you down. Number 5. Tessassi Remote Control Car. This fantastic RC car can go front, back, side to side, double side tipping bucket, double side roll, 360-degree complete flip overs. The big wheels allow you to go over everywhere. It designed with anti-crash double tires. RC Rock Crawler car fits for indoor and outdoor. It occupied with flexible wheels. The racy toy car allow high speed and better flexibility, being a perfect RC car. Equipped with two powerful motors, this 4WD RC car can reach speed up to 12 km. Strong 2.4 GHz remote control technology prevents signal interferences with other high-speed vehicles, even other models of the same RC. Make with oversized soft tires plus sturdy shell and powerful motors. So off-road race with RC car will not be easily damaged and run fast, can easily pass through sand. The double slides running forward, backward, turn left, right, amazing 360-degree complete flip over and jumping 45-degree slope climbing brings you a fantastic game experience. So if you like this product and want to purchase, then click on the link that is below in the description.